All right, everybody, we're here with the Voltex Guardian Probe move over sign. I've had a lot of questions, so we're hopefully going to answer them now. We're going to walk through the steps of opening it, the two different remotes and all that stuff. I have a wireless remote, and if this was installed into somebody's truck, you have a wired remote. One guy said that you had to keep hitting the button multiple times. This is the remote. You have a power button for the lights and a power button for the sign. You must hit the power button one time to wake up the light or the unit. So now it is awake. You can see, bam. Now we can hit that button, it opens. This is what it looks like with just the move over sign on. We're in a lit up building, so this thing is super bright. One button turns it on or wakes it up. The second touch of the button fires it up. We're going to kind of show you the strobe lights, which would be in a perfect world. If you didn't need the sign, you just wanted to pull over and use the actual strobes. This will act like a light bar. So there are basically your light bar options. Let's walk around it, please, sir. So you can see that on all four sides, not just two, all four sides, there are lights. They work without the sign being up in the air. This would be the back side of your tow truck. This is going left and right at the same time. So now we'll do left. That's your left. Move over to your left. We do move over to your right. It's just as easy as pushing buttons. There's nothing difficult about this. It isn't a big secret. There's no codes. And then once again, you have just that. So this would be almost like your strobes. I'm pulled over. I want to turn my light bar on. This is not your light bar. So we're going to turn them off. Another cool option is work lights. These are floodlights that will show light on the scene for you. Super cool. Just as easy as a touch of a button. That simple. Now right here, if this is wired to a truck, these would be brake lights, turn signals type of thing. I don't have it wired to a truck, so we can't show you that feature now. So it is just as simple as touching buttons on a remote. There's nothing crazy or difficult about this. Super easy install from what I've been told. Josh at Loxley, Alabama, he has a towing company in Loxley, Automedic. He has these, absolutely loves them. He installed it himself, and he said in about an hour and a half, I think. So not a big issue, easy to install, easy to use. So if you have any questions and you want to see the content that we create with this, which is coming, like, follow, and share to learn more about the move over light from Voltex. We will be selling it on our website. It should be up now. So if you want one, go there, click on the link, and purchase it. We will ship you one as soon as we can get it out to you, which takes a couple weeks or less typically. So slow down, move over, you'll save a life. It's the law. And this sign's awesome.